The Browning Hi-Power 9mm Pistol Mark III. The Mark III high-power pistol is finished with a black epoxy finish and carries forward the Mark II plastic grips and ambidextrous safety features. I read that the Hi-Power is one of the most widely used pistols in military history, used by the armed services of more than 50 countries. Though the Hi-Power was made in Belgium, other countries have manufactured it under license. The Browning Hi-Power began its military career for the Belgian Armed Forces in 1935. This Mark I high-power pistol has a tangent rear sight, but lacks the ambidextrous thumb safety. World War II saw the Hi-Power being made for the Allies in Canada and for Germany in Belgium. A variation of the Canadian World War II made Hi-Powers is a pistol made with a shoulder stock. This Hi-Power dates back to 1990 when it was purchased new. It has been used very little. Two 13-round magazines came with the pistol. The Browning Company is owned by FN Herstal. It is an American distributor of the Hi-Power. The bottom part of this picture shows the Hi-Power configured for disassembly. When disassembling the Hi-Power, the slide stop is pushed out on the pistol's left side. Safety first, we clear the gun by removing the magazine and inspecting the chamber. Next, we pull back the slide and position the thumb safety in the slide disassembly notch. I armor the tip of my index finger with a thimble to use it as a pin punch while pushing the slide stop pin inward. At this point, I am doing three things. On the right side, pushing in the slide stop pin with my index finger. On the left side, pushing the slide stop up into the slide stop recess. And finally, lifting up the slide stop from the left side of the pistol where the pin is. Control the slide as you disengage the thumb safety from the disassembly notch. Sweat, oil, or grease on the hands can make pulling back the stiff slide difficult. If one is not limited by doing things only by the book, another way to easily disassemble or reassemble this pistol follows. I use a wood block in this procedure. Anything that has a firm edge and won't damage the barrel will work too. The edge of a wood workbench, for example. The muzzle end of the pistol's frame is placed on the edge of a wooden block. I push down, drawing the slide back to the slide stop recess. I push the slide stop up, ensuring that it is captured in the slide stop recess. A little bit of down pressure on the muzzle, push in the slide stop pin on the right. Jiggle and lift the slide stop on the left at the pin area. we demonstrate the magazine disconnect feature of the high-power pistol. That is, with the magazine removed and the pistol cocked, the hammer should not fall when the trigger is pressed. A half-cocked hammer position is not a carry mode. Though the hammer may not fall when the trigger is pressed, I would not rely on that. Hi-Power's double-stacked high-capacity magazine design found its way into later pistols like the Beretta 92 FS.